Hey guys, I'm Brandon Byler. I'm 22 years old and I'm from South Carolina and I am rebuilt.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the I Am Rebuilt series. We're here today with episode 4. I'm so fired up to introduce you to my friend. He's been a client for the past 4 months, and like I say every single time, with these men, once we go through this process, this is not a one and done, quick change, and you're out of my life. I really try to build community. So everybody that I share with you is a part of my family. Relationships are so vitally important to our freedom, so vitally important to our success, and just vital to our health as men. So we're going to jump to Brandon's story here in a minute and kind of share with you what he was going through prior to joining the program. What were some of his initial hesitations and takeaways from the program? How did he kind of find success? Over the course of 16 weeks, and then what is he really excited about? Kind of now moving and being free of porn. So Brandon Beeler is here with me today. He is a I guess new, call it success story from the Reboot Your Life coaching program. So that's what we're doing here is we're recognizing him, we're sharing his story, and maybe there's something that he says today that can resonate with you and where you are at in your journey. So Brandon, kind of kicking things off here, why don't you kind of share a little bit about where you were before reaching out, kind of what were some of the things that you were struggling with, what things had you tried before to kind of work through this issue, and just kind of where were you at prior to us getting started?
Yeah, absolutely. Um, you know, Prior to reaching out to you, Frank, it was just life was getting to a spot where I just didn't have a whole lot of drive anymore. Just didn't really have any, uh, joy in life. It was just a kind of mundane, just getting through the next day, just make it to the weekend, party it up on the weekend, whatever. Just very lackluster. Just definitely did not have the vibrancy that I definitely once had in life. And yeah, definitely not like super depressed, but definitely heading that direction. And yeah, then obviously that was when I started kind of looking for options and came across you and your program.
Yeah, no, I think so many men can kind of resonate with that feeling of, you called it lack of joy, just kind of missing that zest for real life. Like that's
Hmm.
one of the major
Yeah.
problems we see, with this. It's like we're escaping into this fantasy world. So when we step out into the real world, it's so hard to find joy. It's so hard to just find that peace and happiness and the real things. So with that, you're going through all this stuff. Like what was it that really motivated you, to begin looking for help? Was there a single defining moment? Was it just kind of all came crashing down? So what were some of those motivations for you and reaching out and asking for help?
Yeah, I think definitely just kind of the realization, like, man, like, what am I going to do here in life? I'm only 22 years old, so I have a lot of life to live, and I don't want to live the rest of my life this way. And, just already just feeling that kind of depression kind of starting to kick in and just, yeah, not having anything to really live for was kind of what turned me towards, it wasn't necessarily a defining moment, but just over a period of time and just kind of I guess looking for something that would give me my drive back, give me that passion for life back.
Yeah, I think that's something that can really resonate with a lot of men. I mean, at such a young age, I mean, there's definitely a level of self-awareness that you had coming in, and I really think that was crucial for your success. Like just being super committed, being self-aware that you were looking for more out of life. Can you walk us through, maybe some of your initial reactions and feelings, like jumping right in, once you made the commitment, enrolled in the program, paid the fee, kind of, before we even kicked it off, like what was that initial kind of response reaction for you once you made that decision?
Yeah, well, I will say I saw your stuff on social media. That's kind of how I saw your stuff, and then I reached out to you on Instagram, I believe it was, and just how quick you responded, and that just to me was like, whoa, like okay, like he's really passionate about this. And then, over that week, I think it was about a week, I had a phone call with you and just kind of was just trying to figure out what the program was all about and stuff. And just on that phone call, just realizing that, you know what, like, am I ready to just make a decision that I'm going to just turn around right here, make this kind of the starting point of the next chapter. And yeah, so going through my mind, it was definitely like I have to be fully committed to this thing. It ain't about halfways. I'm gonna have to go all the way on this. And yeah, so sending that payment in definitely kind of signaled that for me. This is my time to yeah, start a new chapter, start a new way of life, and live fully.
Got it. Yeah, that's great. I'm glad. I'm glad my response time. One things I really pride myself on. Whether it's on YouTube comments or emails or Instagram, like you said, I'm I take pride in responding to every message in a quick, timely manner. And I am passionate. Everything I'm doing here has been a result of my own transformation, the success that I've had in my life once I've gotten through this. So I feel a level of responsibility to everybody. So that's great. Um, can you talk maybe talk through some of the experience in working with me, Frank? How did I, if any way, make this process easier for you? How was I able to provide direction and support while also maintaining accountability? So just walk through maybe a little bit of our kind of working relationship, and if I did anything to kind of help in this process.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I would say definitely for one, the weekly check-ins were a huge help. Just calling in and getting that direct accountability. You asking questions. How was the week, and having to answer that. Honestly, that was definitely a great part of the program. Absolutely love that. And then also your availability, being able to reach out in times of falling backwards or whatever. If you were starting to slip up a little bit, we had the availability to reach out to you, and that's huge. Yeah, there was definitely, I think it was like week 4 or 5. Definitely was a tough time for me, and the way you gave me the materials I needed to get through that, and just kind of yeah, figure it out and walk through that, and just your availability and all that was huge, definitely.
Yeah, no, that's great. I try to tell guys all the time, when we're on our calls and when they're asking for help, I don't care if anybody joins my program. Obviously, yeah, I want to help. But I do think accountability is needed. I think you need support. I think you need other people in your corner. This is not a fight that we need to go about doing on our own. So glad that that is something that you really, really took away. Brandon, what would you say, was the big one or two things that you really learned about yourself? Let's turn this on Brandon. Like, what did Brandon learn about Brandon over the course of these 4 months?
Well, I definitely learned that I am very apt to selfish desires, and I guess I learned that I can actually push through that. I can push through the daily little temptations, little whatever, even as far as like food, that kind of stuff. For me, it's really easy to drive past a fast food restaurant, swing in there and grab something. And so just realizing through some of the fasting and stuff that what, I can get through this. I can tell myself no. I have self control. That was a huge thing to learn about myself, and also just learning um, that yeah, I mean, I have the power to overcome this. That's something that I thought I would never be able to overcome. So that was a huge part of it. But yeah,
Yeah, that's amazing, man, and super proud of you. It's so um, enlightening. I don't think that's the right word to use here, but when we realize that many of the behaviors rooted in our issues with pornography begin to manifest in other areas of our life, kind of you saying there, with the temptations and desires, like seeing the fast food and realizing like, the old person would just turn in and kind of get the quick fix, but over this process you realize that, these behaviors, like once you really get aware of them, you can take control of them in any situation. So Brandon, now that you're through the program, 4 months, absolutely free, like you've really conquered this thing. I feel that you've been an incredible client to work with. The feedback has been amazing. Your commitment to it has been incredible, and I know this is only the beginning of the rest of your life. So, what are you most looking forward to now? What are you most excited about in your life now you've gotten past this thing and just stepping into this next chapter?
yeah, absolutely. Well, it's gonna sound cliche, but I'm definitely just excited to enjoy life. Um, for and one of the big parts of this program was writing down goals, where you see yourself in 5 years from now, and that for me was really humbling to see, if I would continue in porn, where my life would be at in 5 years. And so to see where my life will be at in 5 years without it is super, super exciting. And some of that just includes just enjoyment in life, just living every moment and enjoying it, not constantly just, you know, fall into the desires and all that and being able to push through that. And yeah, just for sure.
Yeah, that's amazing. I know God's got some big plans for you ahead, man. Excited to see what this next, year and 5 years really looks like for you. So let's go back in time here, Brandon. Let's talk to Brandon from 4 months ago, or there's gonna be thousands of men that see this video. Some of them are kind of on the fence. They're in a hesitation, maybe doubting if they can actually do this. Perhaps they've tried before. Maybe they joined a different program. Maybe they went the route of trying to do it on their own. So they're on the fence. They're like, I don't know if I could actually do this. I don't know if the commitment to this program is worth the investment. I don't know if even trying to tackle this thing is worth it. Maybe I should just give in and be addicted to porn for the rest of my life. So let's talk to that guy. What would you say to somebody that's, maybe hesitation about joining either our program or any program? Like I said, I'm here to help. I want to see guys find freedom. Obviously, we're doing our best here to build a curriculum, build support systems and groups and whatnot. To help as many men as possible. So, yeah, what would you just say to the guy that maybe is out there and maybe doubting himself or doubting the success of this program?
Well, definitely don't doubt the success of the program. It's definitely a successful program, for sure. But you have to be willing to put in the work. I mean, if you're not committed, it ain't worth it. But if you're on the fence and you're ready to commit, absolutely, for sure, get in on this program. Highly, highly recommend.
Yeah, that's amazing. And you're right though. It's not join the program and all your problems wash away. It's join the
Right.
program, get a structured process, get a
Hmm.
system that you have to commit to and you have to take the daily steps in the daily actions. So thank you so much, Brandon, for sharing that. Thank you for opening up and sharing your story, sharing your transformation. Like I said, I know I'm excited about what's to come for you. For you guys that are out there and are in Brandon's shoes from 4 months ago, or maybe you've tried this before. Maybe you keep slipping. You make it that 30-day mark, and day on 31, you slip back. Maybe you just can't deal with the temptations. You don't know what to do when you're triggered. If that's you, I want you to click the link below, and I want you to book a call. And I'm gonna hop on the phone with you. I want to walk you through what this process would look like for you. We do have an application process, so we don't take everybody. But if you're a right fit and you think that you can commit to the next 4 months and taking back control of your life and becoming the man that you were created to be, then I want you to click that link down there below, fill out the application, and let's book a call. But for Brandon Beeler, Frank Rich, guys, thank you for tuning into the I Am Rebuilt series. Stay plugged into Brandon because this guy's doing amazing things coming up in the future. We'll see you guys on the other side.